Hello guys, today we talk about IoT. So what is mean by IoT? IoT is a Internet of Things. If you use, if you access the things with the help of internet, it is called a Internet of Things. Why we need to learn a IoT? Why we need to learn a IoT in future? What purpose we use IoT? Where it is used, when it is used. Later we discussed. So in this future we use the IoT to assess anything like anything in the world. We assess the things in your home. Like if you have a robot with connected with internet, it can assess in any country. It is the robot is in America country. You can access in the you are in India, the robot are in Europe. You can access using internet to control the robot. So IoT can help future to reduce the man work and reduce the knowledge man work and reduce the effort of human, can help human to make things easily, to access the things easily, like with help of internet. So this is the agenda we learn about IoT. Why IoT is here essential? So what is the definition of IoT? Business with IoT, career in IoT. Why IoT? Where it is used IoT application. So IoT application means where it is used. History of IoT. What is chatbot? The component of IoT. So components means sensor, actuator. Like components means the component means these are the components we use the IoT, a sensor, actuator, ESP8266 like microcontroller, cloud, IoT protocols, data management and DH lens are small projects. So next we see about why IoT is essential. So the Internet of Things is a combination of network sensor and a machine that enable machine to machine communication. It enabling technology to include the internet, advanced cloud service, wired and wireless network and data gathering sensor make the system instantaneous anywhere and anytime. So we use a sensor in the home. It measures the humidity level. It can receive the input with help of sensor to transfer the data to the cloud with help of microcontroller. The cloud can be connected with a mobile phone. We can receive the information about what will happen in the room, what temperature is now in the room. We can measure and we can analyze the data of the room temperature. Okay, so IoT, why it is essential? The in future the all things are automated. In future all things are automated. That time IoT is very essential to do things is very easily and automated one. So human made a mistake, but robot cannot make a mistake. It can work properly with give high accuracy. So IoT is so important because the use of internet connected device has become mainstream. Company is in diverse industry are adapting the technology so the more efficient, productive and competitive. So it is insert base of active Internet of Things. So up to 30.9 million units by 2025. So it is a prediction 30.9 million internet embedded connected device is used up to we use a smartwatch. It is a IoT device. You can think smartwatch also IoT things. It can used for a measure the blood circulation, like blood circulation BPM. Second, it can be used for for who is calling in the phone. It is used. It is connected with wireless communication, like using Wi-Fi. So it is also a smart device. So essentially, the user can use two or more devices in future, like 4 or 5 devices in future. The it can reach 40 to 50 million users in the world to upgrade the IoT usages. So definition of IoT. So I already described Internet of Things describe physical object. Example, sensor can receive the input, can receive input from the physical area, like measure the temperature, humidity level, distance between the object, like ultrasonic level, measure the water level. We use many software, many sensor are there. So it describes the physical object or group of such object, like processing ability, software and other technology that connect and exchange data with other devices. It can be connect with the microcontroller to exchange the data with cloud or mobile and system over the internet. Use of internet to communicate with the cloud, and cloud is communicate with application to connect. If I subscribe the client ID, I can receive the information about temperature of room also. So Internet of Things can be, it's a very essential and it is very useful in future. So Internet of Things has been considered as a misnomer because device does not need a connected to public internet. They only need to be connected to a network individually and addressable. So we go next slide. So it is a application. These are the application now we used in the IoT field. So we use of phones. It is a IoT device. Not is a phone. Phone is also a IoT device. It is connected with the internet also. TVs. TVs. Now we have a TV, like it have a you connected with internet. It have a YouTube, Netflix also, and many of the appliances. Many of the applications are there. So many of the appliances are used in the internet, like switching, automatic fan, like if using fan is used moisture, or like a PIR sensor. If I it can be calculate the